We'll guide you through how to fix an iPhone 16 screen that's frozen, unresponsive, or stuck. If you find this useful and it solves your problem, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be really frustrating because you're wanting to go and use your iPhone, but you can't. So we're going to guide you through how you can try fixing this. I found this goes and solves it for me, and I fixed other iPhones with it as well. So make sure you watch this guide. Don't go and skip ahead, otherwise you may go and miss a detail which you need for this to go and work. So you may be thinking, how can I go and resolve this without the screen working and without having to wait for the iPhone to go and run out of battery and then try charging it again and hopefully resolving it? Well, we can actually do a restart and you don't need to go and use the screen. We can do this with the buttons. So we can go and press the buttons in a certain order and we can then go and get the iPhone restarting. So make sure you listen carefully for the combination. So go and locate the volume control on the left here, and we're going to go and press volume increase, then decrease, and tap and hold the side button. So go and do that now, volume increase, decrease, and tap and hold the side button like so. Now keep this held down. When your iPhone is potentially stuck, frozen, etc., you may not see the screen here. It's just going to go and remain the screen that it currently is. So don't worry, but it should go black shortly. Keep it held down and you only release it when you go and see the Apple icon. And this indicates that it's then starting again. So we can go and wait. And shortly it's going to come back on. It shouldn't be much longer. And here we are. Then try using it. And now hopefully the problem is going to go and be solved. And it's that simple. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Have a great day and I'll catch you again. We can help you again.